Well, here's a cute little arcade game, a basketball arcade game that I picked up at a garage sale. You can see they just have the hoops going up and down to make it a little bit tougher for the people to make the bucket. Beautiful Nicole is disassembling and showing us the inner workings. It's pretty simple, just a motor, some resistors for the LEDs, and standard Scotch yoke, turning rotary motion into vertical motion. You can see the rectangular part of the yoke there going up and down. That's in slots to guide it up and down smoothly. And here I took it out of the game so that you can see the Scotch yoke mechanism a little bit more clearly. And then I thought I would just rotate it around so that you can see how it's mounted. And it's just a little 3-volt motor. Packed with grease. And there we have a little Scotch yoke demo.